how to delete your Lemon8 account without deleting your TikTok. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Lemon8 app. Once you tap open your Lemon8 app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is now simply be in the official homepage of your Lemon8 app. So once you're here, you need to simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. So once you have tapped on the profile icon, you'll be ended up in this kind of interface where you can find an option called settings that is on the top right hand side of the corner, which look like a gear icon. So simply tap on that particular settings, and once you have done this, you will be ended up in this interface where you need to now select the account section. So once you have selected the account section, as well as you'll find an option called delete account on the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on it and then verify yourself that you want to delete your account. Once you have verified your email ID to do so, you'll be now redirected to this kind of interface. We need to simply tap on the agree option. So after you have tapped on the agree option as well, you will be successful in deleting the Lemon8 account. I hope you find this video helpful. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.